Welcome to Best 5 Picks. The best DIN rail is probably one of the most versatile and essential components in modern electrical installations, offering a standardized mounting system that simplifies the organization and accessibility of various electrical devices such as circuit breakers, terminal blocks, and power supplies. Its robust design ensures secure attachment, preventing accidental dislodgement and contributing to a safer, more reliable electrical infrastructure, whether in industrial control panels, home automation systems, or specialized equipment setups, making it an indispensable element for any professional or DIY enthusiast looking to create a neat, efficient, and compliant electrical enclosure. Number 5. TNG 8 DIN Rail, 20-pack. Introducing the TNG 8-inch DIN rail, a robust solution for your mounting needs. This pack includes 20 pieces, ensuring you have plenty for your projects. Our rails are RoHS compliant, meeting environmental standards for your peace of mind. You can trust in their safety and quality. Crafted from strong aluminum, these rails are built to handle heavy mounting applications. They provide a reliable foundation for your equipment. Each rail measures 8 inches long and 35 millimeters wide, offering a standard and versatile size. They are designed for efficient use in various setups. Featuring 8 pre-drilled mounting holes, installation is made simple and secure. You'll appreciate the ease of attaching your components. These slotted aluminum rails are ideal for organizing and securing components in industrial, automation, and DIY applications. Their design ensures a stable fit. What we like. This option offers a substantial quantity of robust aluminum rails, perfect for large-scale projects. Its strength ensures reliable mounting for heavier components. If you are undertaking a major installation or need a bulk supply for multiple projects, this is an excellent choice for its durability and quantity. What people say. The DIN rail is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and stability for mounting electrical components. It features a precise cut and smooth edges, making installation quick and easy without any sharp hazards. The rail's standardized dimensions allow for seamless integration with a wide range of DIN rail mountable devices, offering great versatility. Number 4. TNG 12 DIN Rail Aluminum RoHS. Introducing the TNG 12-inch DIN rail, crafted from durable aluminum. It's RoHS compliant, ensuring safety and environmental standards are met. This rail features a compact construction, making it ideal for space-saving applications. Its standard 35 mm width and 7.5 mm height offer great versatility. Designed for straightforward mounting, this rail simplifies your setup process. Its slotted design allows for flexible component placement. Rest assured with its RoHS compliance, guaranteeing it meets strict environmental and health regulations. This product is built for reliability. From TNG, a brand you can trust. This 12-inch aluminum DIN rail is a perfect addition to your electrical or industrial projects. What we like. This set provides a smaller quantity with a focus on compact design. It's ideal for smaller setups or when space is a premium. If you need just a couple of rails for a specific, smaller application or a quick repair, this offers convenience without excess. What people say. The DIN rail is a standard 35 mm width, perfect for mounting various electrical components. It's made of sturdy galvanized steel, ensuring durability and resistance to corrosion. The rail comes with pre-drilled mounting holes, which simplifies the installation process significantly. Number 3. TNG 8 DIN Rail Slotted Aluminum. Introducing the TNG DIN rail, crafted from high-quality aluminum for lasting durability. It's designed to meet your industrial mounting needs. This rail is RoHS compliant, ensuring it meets environmental standards for your projects. You can trust its safety and reliability. Measuring 8 inches long, 35 mm wide, and 7.5 mm high, it offers the ideal dimensions for various applications. Its slotted design allows for easy adjustments. This versatile piece is perfect for organizing and mounting components in control panels and enclosures. It provides a secure and efficient mounting platform. Get a pack of 10 rails, providing excellent value for your electrical and automation projects. This ensures you have enough for multiple installations. What we like. This pack offers a balanced quantity of standard-sized rails. It's suitable for medium-sized projects where you need more than a few but not a bulk order. If you're working on a moderately sized control panel or a series of smaller setups, this provides a good amount without being overwhelming. What people say. The DIN rail is made of high-quality aluminum, which is both lightweight and durable. It features a unique snap-fit design that allows for quick and easy installation. The rail is compatible with a wide range of electrical components, making it a versatile choice for various applications. Number 2. MXUTEUK 3PCS Aluminum DIN Rails. Introducing our 3-piece set of aluminum DIN rails, designed for robust and reliable mounting of your hardware components. They offer a durable solution for organizing your electrical and electronic devices. These rails are incredibly versatile, fitting seamlessly into various electrical enclosures like terminal boxes, distribution boxes, and control cabinets. They are perfect for mounting a wide range of components. Easily install electronic devices such as relays, contactors, circuit breakers, and more. Their design ensures compatibility with virtually any electronic component or device you need to secure. Featuring a practical design, installation is straightforward. They come with screws, making it simple to mount them securely wherever needed. Each rail measures 4 inches long, 35 mm wide, and 7.5 mm high, providing a compact yet effective mounting solution. This convenient size is ideal for space-constrained applications. This package includes 3 pieces of DIN rails along with 6 screws, providing you with everything necessary to get started on your mounting projects right away. What we like. This option emphasizes ease of installation and broad applicability. It comes with screws, simplifying the setup process for various electronic components. If you are looking for a user-friendly solution that fits a wide range of devices in distribution boxes or control cabinets, this is a practical and versatile pick. What people say. The DIN rail is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and stability for mounting electrical components. It features a precise cut and smooth edges, making installation quick and safe without sharp burrs. The rail's standardized dimensions allow for easy compatibility with a wide range of DIN rail mountable devices. Number 1. DIN rail mounting bracket rack mount kit. Introducing our robust DIN rail mounting bracket, designed for seamless integration into your existing setup. It offers a reliable solution for securing your equipment. This versatile kit easily converts your DIN rail components for standard 19-inch rack mounting. Achieve a professional and organized installation with minimal effort. Crafted from high-quality, oxidized aluminum alloy, this bracket ensures long-lasting durability and resistance to wear. Its sturdy build is made to withstand demanding environments. With a length of 17 inches, a width of 35 mm, and a height of 7.5 mm, it provides the perfect fit for most standard applications. The slotted design allows for flexible positioning. Setting up your equipment has never been easier. This mounting bracket is designed for straightforward installation, saving you time and hassle during setup. Ensure your components are securely mounted and stable. This bracket provides a dependable foundation, preventing unwanted movement and ensuring operational integrity. What we like. This product is specifically designed for integration into standard 19-inch server racks. It acts as a bracket, allowing you to mount DIN rail components within a rack environment. If you need to organize and secure DIN rail devices within a server or network rack setup, this specialized bracket is the perfect solution. What people say. The DIN rail is made of high-quality steel, ensuring durability and stability for mounting electrical components. It features a precise cut and smooth edges, making installation quick and hassle-free without sharp burrs. The rail's standardized dimensions allow for easy integration with a wide range of DIN rail mountable devices, offering great versatility. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.